we've always known about Peninsula, haven't we? They've got an amazing reputation. They're really trusted. They're really, really good at getting things right.
I think it's also the quality of the product, isn't it? And we're also in quite an exposed spot here as well, so the idea that they only sell quality products was appealing to us. There was a wall here, believe it or not. There was a stone wall coming here. They advised us in terms of what could be possible within the space. We decided to move this wall, or to rebuild the wall another 5 meters further back. Then Peninsula came in, they excavated this down to a depth. They built a base, they insulated the base, so we had a concrete slab, and then they installed this winter garden, removing the existing patio doors that were here.
And it was a really seamless, wasn't it? They made it really easy for us as well, which we were really grateful for. We've never had anything done like this before, so we didn't really know what to expect. The showroom was really set up well. They've got similar stuff to all of the products they have, so you could really picture it. I found that really useful because I need to be able to picture things. It was slick. It was painless.
Yeah, it was. And there was also three different products that they were sort of offering that met our brief, really. So it was really useful to see what a little bit of extra spend bought you in real life. Also in terms of talking to the salesman there and being shown the different sort of levels of insulation that are in each was a useful exercise for us, wasn't it?
Yeah. When they arrived here, they realised that I think it was that one. One of the panels of glass, and they're really big and heavy, had been damaged in transit, hadn't it? And so they were able to sort that out really quickly and get a replacement in, and it comes from Germany, doesn't it? But we were really amazed at how quickly that happened. It was great.
I think the communication was really good leading up to the install of the winter garden. But also beyond that, so we did have a slight issue with this bifold door here, so there was a degree of settling after the thing had been installed, which created a bit of stiffness in the door. I think Dolan and one of the other technicians were around the next day after we called them. They tightened a few screws and loosened a few others, and it's been perfect ever since. I think I've been using the space in a completely different way to what I thought I'd use the space for. So I didn't think we'd be able to use it when it's really hot or very cold or stormy. But I find the times I like spending here most are when there's a real hoolie blowing and there's a storm blowing, and you feel sort of cocooned in this sort of inside-outside structure. But also when it's very hot and we can just open the doors and it just becomes part of the outside rather than part of the house, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. They're trusted, the products are really of a great quality, and it's just that peace of mind and trust, really, I think.
And we know if in years to come, if there was an issue with this project, we know the guys would be here to sort it out, and that's really important to us.
I think if anyone was unsure when approaching a project like this, I would certainly recommend that they go along to Peninsula and have a look at the products and talk to the people there, because they've got amazing advice and they're really unpressured as well, which I really appreciated. We
certainly recommend Peninsula to other people. I think the products that they sell are very good quality. Their service is outstanding, and I think their after sales is really good. And I don't think you can ask for much more in a conservatory company.